Hi guys, here in this video we are going to learn how to achieve fake light effect in Photoshop. Here I am just using text. Instead, you can use the logo. To avoid the loss of quality, I am converting it to Smart Object. Now, match the perspective. Here I am not decreasing the size of text because here we have the perspective lines, so it will be easy for us to match those lines. Once we are done with that, then we can decrease the size. Now, right-click and choose Blending Options. Now, enable the drop shadow. Then, opacity to 100%. Angle to 90 degrees. Then, increase the distance to 3 and change the color to white. Now, enable the outer glow. Then, increase the size to 15. Here we have achieved 70% of the result. Now, we have to highlight the background. For that, create a new empty layer. Then, choose a brush with a white foreground. Now just paint like this. And then change the blend mode to overlay, then reduce the fill. And create another new empty layer. Then paint like this for light reflection. Then, change the blend mode to overlay. That's it, here you can see the before and after. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. And hit that bell icon to get the notification.